What up, great people? It's your favorite rope guy here, Lawrence from LOfitnez, and today we shall work our abs. This workout is ideal for all fitness level, whether you're a beginner or a pro athlete. It is built with exercises that will build your upper, lower, and oblique muscles while strengthening your core. This workout will help you build a good foundation while preparing for future workouts. To get this to work perfectly for you, you have to do it at least 3 times this week. This is because consistency is one of the secrets to getting your abs popping. Also, at the course of this exercise, if there's any need for you to rest, please pause the video and catch a rest, because this is a workout, this is not a punishment. And if you cannot keep up just yet till the end of this workout, you should be able to do that at the end of this week, because I also had similar experience when I was starting up with my workouts. So if you're ready, I'm ready. First exercise, jump rope twisters. Let's do this together, guys. That's it, guys. Make sure while you're doing this 30 twisters, you're twisting at your oblique muscles. Make sure you feel the twist here at your oblique area. So this time we shall be going for the next exercise, which is the side plank dips. Start 15 seconds of rest. And we're in for it. Another time for the other side of your body. Make sure while you're doing this exercise, you have your abs contracted. Like, make sure you tighten everything up around your core so you can feel it very well, like it will work perfectly for you. So the next exercise will be lying leg raises. Make sure you have your abs contracted. Workout is going nice and smooth, and I'm sure you guys are also killing it. So we'll go for 15 seconds of rest before the next workout. As you're doing this abs workout, make sure you contract your ab, then try to regulate your breathing and be as comfortable as you can. Next workout shall be plank knee to elbow. Let's go for it, guys. Let's go for another rest. Make sure as you're doing the plank knee to elbow, you're also regulating your breathing and you're contracting your abdomen. Most of the time you have to have your abdomen contracted all the time. So the next exercise will be crunch. Fold your legs, your hands up, contract your abdomen, and let's go for a 10, guys. Reach as high as possible. I hope you guys are feeling this great. And if you're sweating right now, that means you're not grinding well. You're not doing your workout perfectly. So next workout before we eventually end this routine will be side crunches. And you'll be in this position. Turn for the other side of your body. Remember, normal position. Let's go for it. That was a great workout, guys. If you really do this workout to the end, you should be clapping for yourself right now because you did a great job. Wow. So this is the first round of the workout. Do pause this video, take 2 minutes of rest, then come back to do it for the second round. Also, remember to repeat this exercise 3 times this week at least, so that you can get the best result out of this workout. And if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends so it's trying to get shredded. Also, drop comments in the section for us to know how you feel about this workout, or any part of this workout you feel is challenging or where you think we should improve on. Also, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to our channel. Until next time, guys, remain beautiful, be handsome, be fit, and most importantly, stay healthy. Take care of yourself, guys. Enjoy.